ChatGPT prompts, but these four are mind-blowing. I tested 10 different ChatGPT prompts for business, marketing, and content creation, and honestly, most of them were useless, but these four are incredible. Welcome to the channel. Today, I'm going to share with you with these four ChatGPT prompts that work best. Even you can use them at the end. I will put them on the video description. You can copy and use them immediately. Now we will see them using ChatGPT. Prompt one, business idea generator. For example, I will read it as act as a startup strategist, suggest five profitable online business idea for someone who wants to help coaches to get more clients and explain the output quickly. Now I copy and we will use ChatGPT. We'll see the result. Let's finish it within seconds. Here are the five profitable online business ideas. First one, niche lead generation agency. You can generate qualified leads per specific type of coaches, fitness, life, business. How can you make money? Monthly retainers. Two, done for you funnel booking systems. Content repurposing, personal brand agency. Three, content repurposing, personal brand agency. Four, high ticket client acquisition coaching program. Fiv's paid community templates scripts library. This is viewers from one prompt one only. And we will use also another prompt two. This is prompt two, also content idea generator. For example, act as YouTube strategist, generate 20 video ideas for channel about AI prompts for entrepreneurs. Explain why it saves time. I copy and again. ChatGPT come up. It works quickly. "20 video ideas, 10 ChatGPT prompts that replace full-time assistant, AI prompts to get clients without calling, how to write high-converting sales page with AI, step-by-step prompts, 5-minute content creation, and AI prompts for busy entrepreneurs. Look, viewers, 20 very specific video ideas. Why this saves time? Simple explanation. I prompt act like pre-built instructions that eliminate trial and error. Instead of spending hours writing content, guessing what to say in emails or ads, researching markets and manually, entrepreneurs can copy and a proven prompt, paste into AI tool to get results in seconds. Example, writing sales email might take 2 to 3 hours manually. With the right prompt, 5 to 10 minutes. Strategy insight: the type of channel grows fast because it is practical, instant results. It is searchable, AI prompts for X. It delivers clear ROI, save time, and make money. Let's go see again prompts reviewers. This prompt also lead magnet prompt act as marketing strategist, create a lead magnet idea for entrepreneurs who want more clients, explain how it builds email lists. Now we'll use ChatGPT. At the end, as it has finished. So lead magnet idea, the 5-day client attraction print. Maybe I will zoom it. As lead magnet idea, the 5-day client attraction print plug and play system. What it is: a short action focused mini program that gives entrepreneurs daily tasks, scripts, and templates to start getting clients within 5 days. What is inside? Day one, define your ideal client, simple worksheet. Day two, offer positioning template, make your service irresistible. Day three, outreach scripts, DMs, emails, LinkedIn messages. Day four, content prompts to attract inbound leads. 5 day five, sales call script, closing framework. Bonus copy, paste AI prompts for each step. Why it works: marketing strategy, fast result promise, get clients in 5 days, grab attention, actionable, not theory, people implement immediately, low friction, free but high value, builds trust quickly, solves painful problem, getting clients top priority. How it how it builds your email list. So get access, users must enter their email to join the 5-day print daily delivery system. Each day content is sent via email, keeps them engaged and expecting your messages. Habit formation, trust building, and natural upsell opportunity. Simple funnel flow also, landing page, email sign up, and 5-day email sequence offer. Key insight: this works because you are not just collecting emails, you are delivering a quick win, building a relationship, and creating buying intent. Yeah. This is the prompt 3 viewers, and we are also move to prompt 4 marketing strategy prompt. I will copy this also and welcome to ChatGPT. I will delete this example. Let's finish it. Here is a simple, effective marketing plan for launching a new online course. Step 1, define your target audience. Be specific about who the course is for. Explain beginner entrepreneurs who want to get their first 5 clients. To ensure your messaging speaks directly to the people. Step 2, create a lead magnet offering variable free for free. Example, checklist, mini course templates. Example, free 5-day client attraction challenge. This attracts potential customers and builds your email list. Step 3, content marketing daily. Visibility. Post helpful content on platforms like YouTube, Instagram, LinkedIn. Focus on tips, mistakes to avoid, quick wins. Each end, each post with a call to action. CTA. Download the free guide for or join the challenge. Step 4, email nurture scans. Once people join your list, send 5 up to 7 emails with value stores and tips. Build trust and show results. Introduce your ensure naturally. Emails convert better because people are already trust you. Step 5, launch strategy. Use simple launch model. Test the course 3 to 5 days. Open enrollment 5 to 7 days. Offer bonus or limited time discount. Create urgency and boost sales. 6. Partnership and social proof. Collaborate with influencers and other creators. Share testimonials and early results. Build credibility fast. Step 7, optimize and repeat. Track the content gets attention. Improve emails and offers. Relaunch, 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 automate the funnel. Simple funnel overview, also content, lead magnet, email list, and course. So explanation of the result. This plan works because it builds complete system, attracts attention, content, captures leads in the lead magnet, builds trust, email sequence, drives sales launch strategy. Instead of chasing customers, you create predictable flow plans. This was the first prompt viewers. If you like these prompts, you can use them. I will put them on the video description. And if you like this video also, subscribe to this channel for more information. Thank you for watching.